There are many things inside SOLIDWORKS 2018. Some entering into new domains and cutting edge stuff, and some that are small, but a user clicks on it 20-30 times a day. So we have made massive improvements on little things that have big impact on users, and we entered into some really new domains with SOLIDWORKS. We had a lot of feedback from our users. The R&D team did an absolutely fantastic job. 400 plus projects and innovations in 2018. Close to 200 of them right inside CAD, and the rest in simulation, data management, Composer, ECAD, MCAD across the board. So a lot of innovation coming from SOLIDWORKS to our end users. One of the things we have done is our engineers use products at multiple places. So now with SOLIDWORKS 2018, we have created a login way where you can do online login, and it doesn't matter which computer you can log into, your license walks with you. And you can choose to be connected, you can choose to be disconnected, or you can choose not to use the login and put the license back to the machine. Not only are there individual product level innovations, but a process level innovations. For example, if you are going to do design to manufacturing with SOLIDWORKS 2018, every license of SOLIDWORKS will include CAM, where now you can go to the machine shop and cut metal 2.5 axis, take something that's inside SOLIDWORKS, go to manufacturing, leveraging MBD data or model-based definition data. More and more younger engineers are coming into the workforce. They don't have the kind of experiences when it comes to manufacturing. With SOLIDWORKS 2018, you can design the part with one click, go to manufacture, cut metal, and you're ready to go. I think our customers will absolutely like the flexibility that's there with SOLIDWORKS 2018, where they can log into any machine, get their customized user interfaces, continue design. You can leave office, go home, and for home use, just log in. No more license taking there, all the seamless ease of use that's there. For admins inside a company where they want to manage the assets well, it's so easy now with SOLIDWORKS 2018 to assign licenses and manage. Last year, we launched 3D Interconnect, and we have made significant improvements now. You can have multiple data coming into SOLIDWORKS, and it works as if it's native inside SOLIDWORKS. We added many more formats. It's faster, it's simpler, it's easier. The goal is for engineers with SOLIDWORKS 2018 to make their jobs easier, to make them love even more the innovation aspects of their engineering.